To extract the top 3 scores, use this formula. In order to write the scores vertically, wrap the formula with the transpose function. For the bottom 3 scores, change large to small. Then, switch 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't try to remove scientific notation like this. It doesn't work. Instead, use the trim function. Copy the formula down. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop counting colors like this. Instead, use this formula. Copy the formula down. Change the colors and watch results automatically. Like and follow for daily tips. Ctrl-O to open. Ctrl-P to print. Ctrl-Q for quick analysis. Ctrl-R to fill right. Ctrl-S to save. Ctrl-T to create table. Ctrl-U to underline. Ctrl-V to paste. Ctrl-W to close window. Ctrl-X to cut. Ctrl-Y to repeat action. Ctrl-Z to undo action. Like and follow for daily tips. Excel shortcuts you must know. Ctrl-A to select all. Ctrl-B to bold. Ctrl-C to copy. Ctrl-D to fill down. Ctrl-E to flash fill. Ctrl-F to find. Ctrl-G to go to. Ctrl-H to find and replace. Ctrl-I to italicize. Ctrl-K to insert hyperlink. Ctrl-L to create table. Ctrl-N to create a new workbook. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop extracting data with copy and paste. Instead, select the column of data. Press Alt-AE to open the Text to Columns dialog. Choose Delimited option. Uncheck Tab and instead check Space. Select a destination for the new columns. Like and follow for daily tips. How to keep row numbers when deleting rows. Use this function. Type any number. Now, row numbers remain even if you delete rows. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't sum numbers with units like this. It won't work. Instead, type the first number in the column to the right. Press Ctrl-E to flash fill. Select the column. Press Ctrl-1 to open the Format Cell dialog. Go to Custom. Type double quotes KG double quotes. Drag the new column over to the old column. Press Alt equals to auto sum. Like and follow for daily tips. Want to sum units like this? Then see the full tutorial on my channel. Stop plotting your data in a clunky chart. Instead, select your data. Click on the box that appears in lower right corner. Click on Data Bars. Like and follow for daily tips. This is your sign to stop extracting names manually. Below the first entry, press Ctrl E to flash fill the rest of the names. You can also press Ctrl E to flash fill the last names. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't waste time deleting blanks like this. Instead, press Ctrl A. Then, press Ctrl H. In the Find What box, type tilde, followed by space. Leave the replace with box empty. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't move colons over with the spacebar. Instead, select the column. Right-click and go to Format Cell. Select Custom and type this code. Now the colon locks on the right, no matter how much you stretch the column. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't enter dates and times manually. Press semicolon for the current date. Ctrl-Shift semicolon for the current time. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop numbering rows like this. Instead, press Alt-H-F-I-S. Choose columns. Change the stop value to any large number. Like and follow for daily tips. Did you know, cells can speak in Excel? Want to know how to do this? Go to Quick Access toolbar and choose More Command. Choose Command Not in the ribbon. And add these two options. Select the data and click on this.
Name. Salary. Sanudahya. 25,000. Arjun. 20,000. Neeraj. 18,000.
Like and follow for daily tips. Did you know that you don't have to change your formats manually like this? Instead, press Ctrl H. Go to Options and choose First Format drop-down list. Then click on Choose Format from Cell. Select the cell containing the format we want to replace. Next, select the second Format button and click on Format. Specify the format you want to apply. Click on Replace All. Like and follow for daily tips. Stop doing this in Excel. The image will never fit in screen. Instead, insert a rectangle. Right-click and choose Edit Points. Adjust the corners of the rectangle to fit inside the screen. Right-click the rectangle and choose Format Shape. Change to Picture Fill and insert a picture. Like and follow for daily tips. When I show this, search sentence by word trick to my boss, he goes in comma for 1 minute. How could I do that? Type in this formula. Like and follow for daily tips. Excel's most overpowered shortcut. Like and follow for daily tips. Don't grade like this. Instead, Use this formula. Choose the grade to look up. Select the column of grades. Press F4 to lock the range. Select the adjacent letters column. Press F4 again. Copy the formula down. Like and follow for daily tips. 3 ways to number rows in Excel. Type in the first couple of numbers and drag down. Enter a range using the name box. Type equals row B1. Then press Ctrl Enter. Type equals 1000. Like and follow for daily tips. I caught my coworker entering thousands of numbers as words. So I showed him this. Get this add-on. Then type this function. Copy the formula down. Like and follow for daily tips. My boss wants an easy way to track attendance. So this is what I showed him. Calculate the attendance percentage with this formula. Copy the formula down. Like and follow for daily tips. Want to know how did I do this magic? Then see the full tutorial on my channel.